Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm James, and today you can see I've been shaping this wing, and I wanted to do a quick little video on sort of like kind of one way you can sort of check to see how you're doing as you're trying to kind of achieve the shape of the leading edge. So, you know, I've had to basically sheet the wing, put the rectangular stock on the leading edge, and then I had to cut it down and sand it to get the airfoil shape. So the way I'm going to check it, hopefully, is I took some tracing paper and I traced the leading edge off the plans, and I basically went all the way back to the spar. And then I'm going to get some cardstock or some stiffer paper like this, and I'm going to cut that shape out using an X-Acto blade. So I'm going to carefully just cut that shape out. Okay, so there's my little template for my leading edge. So let's go ahead and give this a test run. So I'll put it on my wing here. And you can see that I'm pretty close. Let's try it over here. Okay, so I hope that was a helpful tip, and good luck with your builds.